Kekhawatiran terhadap dampak teknologi kecerdasan buatan atau AI juga melanda salah satu industri yang pertama menerapkan teknologi serupa, yaitu industri permainan video. Perkembangan AI yang begitu pesat dikhawatirkan bisa menghilangkan peran manusia dalam berbagai fase pengembangan video game. Selengkapnya dilaporkan tim VOA dari Washington DC.
Convey adalah salah satu perusahaan yang menampilkan teknologi kecerdasan buatan alias AI di konferensi pengembang permainan video, Game Developers Conference di San Francisco, negara bagian California.
You've seen characters in virtual worlds and games. What we do is enable a mind for them, a very human-like, such that now they can understand what you're saying, understand what's happening in the environment, and respond very intelligent and carry out different actions in the environment.
Penggunaan teknologi AI dalam industri video game memang ramai dibahas.
A lot of companies are saying it's really fantastic that they can have AI, for example, help them draft storylines, or they can help them draft visuals, and so it takes away a lot of the time that their team would spend on those tasks. So it makes them more efficient.
Pada saat yang sama ada kekhawatiran kehadiran AI bisa menggusur peran manusia di saat industri video game telah tertekan belakangan setelah penjualan game sempat meroket saat darurat pandemi COVID.
Perusahaan konsultan pasar Circana yang dulu dikenal sebagai NPD Group memperkirakan terjadi penyusutan penjualan video game selama 2024. Proyeksi paling optimistis, penurunan ini hanya sekitar 2% saja dibandingkan tahun sebelumnya. Tapi kemungkinan paling buruk bisa sampai 10%.
Salah satu akibatnya, sejak 2022, sekitar 20.000 pekerja industri ini telah di-PHK.
The big studios told us that the AI wasn't going to replace anyone or anything like that, but immediately afterwards, there's been mass layoffs all across the game industry.
Ia kini khawatir kehadiran AI bisa semakin menyuburkan PHK.
And it's really hard to find new places to go when everywhere's laying off people at the same rate.
Sejumlah serikat pekerja kini mengupayakan perlindungan lebih kuat. Serikat Pekerja Industri Komunikasi Amerika salah satunya.
We've all had friends lose their jobs, and it's very disheartening to see. Something that you can do with a union now is you can bargain over the terms the company has to take before a layoff happens.
Serikat Aktor Screen Actors Guild, American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, disingkat SAG-AFTRA, sebelumnya sukses menegosiasi perlindungan dari AI dengan studio-studio film di Hollywood setelah mogok panjang hampir 4 bulan pada 2023.
We have a strike authorization out. It was approved at 98%. Which I think is a pretty resonating call for action and for a need for this protection. It's, AI protections is a very central part of our bargaining focus.
Tapi survei oleh penyelenggara Game Developers Conference menemukan hanya 5% pengembang game adalah anggota serikat pekerja. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.